Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best silicone mat is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your kitchen, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out with simple recipes. These mats are designed to provide a non-stick surface for all your culinary adventures, from rolling out dough and kneading bread to baking cookies and pastries, ensuring that your creations come off the mat cleanly and easily every single time. They are also incredibly durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean, making them a practical and eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper or greased baking sheets, ultimately saving you time and reducing waste. Number 5. Gorilla Grip Waterproof Silicone Pet Feeding Mat. Introducing the award-winning design from Gorilla Grip, thoughtfully engineered to keep your home cleaner during pet mealtime messes. This durable mat offers tough protection where you need it most. Our pet food mat is crafted from 100% waterproof silicone. Its 1/8-inch thick raised edges are designed to effectively contain spills, preventing food and water messes from reaching your floors. Experience superior grip with its slip-resistant top side and raised dots, ensuring bowls stay put and preventing food scatter. The durable backing helps it remain in place, handling even the toughest mealtime messes. Made from BPA-free, food-grade safe silicone, this pet feeding mat is a healthy and reliable choice for your home. It's built to last and withstand daily use. This waterproof mat is designed for all pets and comes in various sizes and colors. It's perfect for cat food, dog water, under fountains, feeders, or even litter boxes to help manage messes. Cleaning up is a breeze with this mat. Simply wipe it down or rinse it off to keep it looking fresh and hygienic for your furry friends. What we like? This mat offers superior mess control with its waterproof design and raised edges, perfect for containing spills. Its non-slip grip ensures bowls stay put, making it ideal for pet owners who want to keep their floors clean during feeding times. If you have messy eaters or want to protect your floors from water and food spills, you should consider this. What people say. Its raised edges are a standout feature, effectively containing spills and preventing food and water from spreading onto the floor. The non-slip texture on the bottom of the mat ensures that it stays in place. This stability is a great feature as it prevents the mat from sliding around, giving my dog a steady surface to eat on. Cleaning the mat is a breeze, a quick rinse under the tap or a wipe with a damp cloth, and it's as good as new. Number 4. Moonkie Silicone Placemats. Tired of sticky tables and food spills during mealtime? Introducing a solution designed to make feeding your little ones easier and cleaner. Our placemats are crafted from high-quality silicone that resists stains and wipes clean in seconds. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying meals with your kids. Designed with a non-slip surface, these mats stay firmly in place on any table. This means fewer accidents and a more stable eating surface for your toddler. Whether it's for your baby's first solid foods or your kids' everyday meals, these placemats provide a safe and clean eating area. They are perfect for any stage of your child's development. Get double the convenience with our 2-pack set. Have one in use while the other is being cleaned, or keep one at home and one for travel. It's the practical choice for busy parents. Enjoy a more relaxed mealtime experience. These placemats offer peace of mind, ensuring a hygienic and secure environment for your child's food. What we like? Designed for little ones, this placemat is stain-proof and non-slip, making mealtime less messy. It provides a stable surface for toddlers to eat from, reducing spills and slips. If you are a parent looking for an easy-to-clean and safe placemat for your child's high chair or dining table, you should consider this. What people say. The mat is made of food-grade silicone, which is safe for direct contact with food. It's heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for baking and roasting. The non-stick surface ensures easy food release and simple cleanup. Number 3. Silicone Baking Mat 3-pack. Our baking mats are designed to withstand high temperatures, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for use with a baking tray, ensuring even heat distribution for all your baking needs. These versatile mats are ideal for baking, roasting, and even everyday food preparation. Enjoy consistent results every time you use them. Say goodbye to oil, sprays, or parchment paper. These non-stick mats make cleanup a breeze, and they are completely dishwasher safe. Featuring a non-slip surface, these mats stay securely in place. They are built for long-term use, making them a sustainable choice for your kitchen. This set includes 2 large mats measuring 16.53 by 11.61 inches and 1 smaller mat at 11.81 by 8.26 inches. Their optimal thickness ensures great baking performance. What we like. This set is perfect for bakers, offering excellent heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and a non-stick surface for easy food release. It ensures even heating for consistent baking results. If you love baking cookies, macarons, or bread and want a reusable, easy-to-clean surface that guarantees great results, you should consider this. What people say. They're easy to clean, stay in place, and protect surfaces really well. These are nice and thick and are so easy to clean. I used it underneath the baking rack when making ribs and to simply remove the sheet and put in sink, and just wash everything off was so easy and my pan looked new, no mess stuck on it. They clean so easily, and keep food from sticking to them or the pans. They are thick and sturdy and easy to store in the drawer with the pans. Number 2. 3-pack non-stick silicone baking mats. Introducing our set of 3 non-stick silicone baking mats. They make baking a breeze and cleanup even easier, saving you time in the kitchen. Forget scrubbing baking sheets. These mats wipe clean with soapy water or can be tossed right into the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Crafted from food-grade silicone, these mats ensure even heat distribution for perfect results every time. They are built to last and safe for use in ovens from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy a truly non-stick experience. Your baked goods will release effortlessly without any need for oil or parchment paper, leading to healthier baking. These versatile mats aren't just for cookies and bread. Use them to hold dinner plates or utensils, making them a handy addition to any kitchen. This set includes 3 mats, 2 large ones and 1 smaller one, providing the perfect size for all your baking projects. What we like. Enjoy effortless baking with its exceptional non-stick surface and even heat distribution, promoting healthier cooking. It's versatile enough for more than just baking, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-clean baking essential that simplifies your cooking and baking tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Things release better than parchment paper for me. Super easy to clean as well and just store right with my baking sheets. Baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or even making caramel, the mats ensure that nothing sticks to them. This eliminates the need for parchment paper or excessive greasing, making cleanup a breeze. They are made from food-grade silicone that is BPA-free and heat-resistant. The mats feel sturdy and durable, yet they are flexible enough to easily fit into various baking pans and trays. Number 1. Cutebe Silicone Toddler Placemat 3-pack. Tired of constant cleanup after your little one's meals? Introducing a solution designed to make mealtime less stressful for everyone. This placemat features a non-slip design, ensuring it stays firmly in place on any dining surface. No more sliding or food spills. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, it's built to last. Simply wipe clean or toss it in the dishwasher for effortless maintenance. Its portable nature makes it perfect for dining out or visiting friends. Keep your child's eating area clean wherever you go. Designed to resist stains, it keeps looking great meal after meal. It's a safe and practical choice for your toddler's dining experience. This convenient 3-pack ensures you always have a clean placemat ready. It's the perfect addition to any family's dining essentials. What we like. This 3-pack placemat is designed for convenience, being portable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Its non-slip surface keeps it in place during meals. If you need a practical, reusable, and easy-to-carry placemat solution for your toddlers on the go or at home, you should consider this. What people say. Thick enough to protect the table and easy to clean. You can roll it up and use the hole to hold it together to store or travel with. They stick well to the table and don't slide around. They contain small spills and are a good size. Silicone material helps to hold plates and cups in place with limited slipping. Star design and right-hand corner great for hanging up on a hook inside a cabinet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.